Have you ever imagined if you were the world's first person to live on Earth who knows how to speak English? Well, if you have, here it is, in animated form. In the year 1 BC. What in the world? Where am I? Is this the place which we call Earth? Well, seems like it is a yes to me. Now, let me find a place where I can rest. This looks like a good place to rest. Oh look, they even have fire over here. I can finally cook food. We can even draw on the walls using stones. This place is awesome. But wait, what will I cook? Oh man. Looks like I got to hunt. We have some sticks over here from which I can make a spear. After 2 hours of successful hunting. Yes. I finally got my first hunt. Now, it's time to eat. After he finished eating. Wait a second, what's that sound? It sounds like meteors crashing. I have got to check this out. Hey, who are you? This is my area.
Oh hey there, I am Eve. I came here to live in this place.
No. You cannot come here.
Sure I can. I even invited some of my friends here.
No. Why?
Don't worry, now there will be more than 100 billion people on this planet in about 25 years.
The end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.